Please just let me say, like she's trying to talk. And she says, in your mouth, hush hush. The shovel to get the apparently and lose my shit. And right. David Bowie. Yes. But if he's bad guns in the house, what the fuck? Have anything on her, and she stayed with her mother for 4 days. Those were her last 4 days of freedom. It's either Tyrell or Tyrell play John in that recreation, and they went like just like the photo. Yeah, and then they had Mike take a photo after reading this. Ooh, we'll post because it. You always I'm shook that she was allowed to get her hair done.
I don't have any more.
Weirdo.
Cool, and then they just beat the shit out of her. Of like her brand was able to get her. She's on Rule 43, of course.
As to why that. No, let me looking for the negative stuff. And there's something for comedians and like
it's really fun.
Okay.
Or Yours of the World, please think.
So it's pretty cool. It's been around since 1979. We're really rad.
Yeah. Cool. Away from racist and shagots, the positivity and the.
Hello, I'm
A writer named Mandy to rape us. They have differences. Wrap him in. And develop a system. So of course they will trust him. He just spills the beans and tells them he 20-term loan. And in 2010, Dr. Douglas Owls for the army.
And she said, and I would have worn
Has a background like me, you know. And
the New York Times and all these outlets are finally giving her because the FBI had matched a fingerprint found inside Alberta Jones's car to a man.